We've brought a number of the team from United Agarwood Planters here to Malaysia, our people from Luzon as well as from the plantation in Bukidnon, and they're here for the week to have the training and develop some of the expertise around the inoculation practices. There are 3 inoculation technologies that we're working with, and what you'll see is that each of these has a different protocol, has a different anticipated result, and has a different market. We have licensed Udino because we are very impressed with the scientific and very structured and disciplined approach of the technology development, the validation in the industry, and the fact that Udino will produce both agarwood chip and also wood that can be used for agarwood oil production.
Ako nga pala si Michael Ocnas, galing ako ng Pilipinas. Ako po ang plantation manager ng United Agarwood Industry Planters Inc. Naka-base sa Mindanao, especially in Bukidnon. Kung unang araw ng pagdating namin dito sa Malaysia, nag-drop by kami ng Kuala Lumpur, tapos biyahe pa puntang Kuantan para ma-meet si Dr. Saifun, isa sa mga scientist ng innovated inoculant para sa agarwood. In scientifically basis. So, pagdating doon sa University of Malaysia ng Pahang, which the laboratory has been stated there. So, nagkaroon kami ng discussions, trainings, how they get and how they reproduce and how to manufacture the inoculant na gagamitin sa procedure ng darating na panahon sa plantation din ng UAPI. Napaka-overwhelming. So, malaki. It's a very great pleasure, lalo na sa akin na may background as a pathologist, na madagdagan yung knowledge ko kasi nakaharap mo na yung mga innovators o scientists na sila mismo yung nakadiscover at naggumawa at nag-reproduce ng ganitong klaseng inoculant. At lalo na mayroon pa tayong kasama na isa ding PhD graduate na nakatutok talaga siya in terms sa agarwood plants. So, napakalaking bagay sa sarili ko, which is improvement and even additional knowledge sa profession ko at the same time para ma-share ko po sa lahat ng mga kasama natin sa plantation and even dun sa mga investor natin. Sa lahat po ng agriculture or lahat po ng tao na nagiging interested at gumagawa ngayon in terms sa agarwood, alam natin yung Pilipinas is kakasimula pa lang natin ngayon. In fact, marami ding Southeast Asian na nauna na sa atin. So, in this knowledge we had now, hindi kailangan tayong magpataasan kung ano man yung nakita natin. Ang pinaka-importante is magkaisa tayo. In terms lalo na sa Pilipinas na agarwood industry, we can share those knowledge we had so that sabay-sabay po tayong makita na yung agarwood industry natin is maganda po yung galaw at tubo or movement in terms in national aspects throughout the Philippines. Opo, sabay-sabay po tayong aangat, lahat ng Pilipino.
Magandang umaga. Ako si Jong Quillope, General Manager ng Iba Botanicals. Ako ang in charge sa operation ng company. Ang mga projects namin is in Mindanao, Kamsur, and Iba Zambales. Kasalukuyan din kami na nagpaplano at nag-establish na actually ng agarwood essential oil business din. Yung pagpunta ko dito sa training is I make sure na yung mindset ko is to accept kung ano yung kanila. Tanggalin natin yung ating yung previous experience mo. Do not compare during the training. Just follow it and then at the end, makikita mo na okay, parehas kami dito o may bago siyang naidagdag para maging fruitful ang iyong pagbisita rito. Napakaganda niyan na maumpisahan din natin lahat kasi ito ay may bibigay na improvement sa atin. Kaya sabayan natin yung pangangailangan ng industriya ngayon. Pwede tayong maging parte ng industriya. Sa mga kasama nating mga nag-aagar, gawin nating kumbaga is magtulungan tayo. We can share the technology that we have, yung trainings natin, pwede nating i-share. And then sa ating mga kasama naman, hindi dapat tayo maging repulsive. Makinig tayo sa mga sinasabi ng mga kasama natin and then in our own selves, we i-qualify natin kung anong maganda kunin natin, ano yung pangit tanggalin natin. But hindi dapat tayo nagbabangayan. Dapat magkaroon tayo ng open discussion, sharings of idea. Yun ang kailangan natin. Magkaroon tayo ng unity. Let's unite the agarwood industry in the Philippines. Kayang-kaya natin to. Pilipino tayo. Meron tayong patutunguhan dito.
Planters have been successful in planting the trees, but haven't really understood the full value chain on agarwood production, and so they haven't really been able to connect with credible inoculant technology as well as the market. So we've been able to negotiate to acquire plantations here in Malaysia, and we've designed a program that will allow us to both demonstrate the efficacy, so demonstrate the effectiveness of Udino in comparison to two other inoculation technologies, as well as allow the United Agarwood Planters staff to really become comfortable and confident to process and handle agarwood.
Ako nga pala si John Michael Bayaw from Iba Botanical na nakabase sa Zambales. Mag-4 na taon na po ako sa industry ng agarwood bilang plantation supervisor po and agri-technical po ng agarwood. Thankful ako dahil isa ako sa napili na mag-training dito sa Malaysia para ma-improve pa yung yung knowledge ko about sa agarwood. Bilang isa sa pinakabatang agriculturist na napunta at napadpad dito sa Malaysia, hindi ko akalain na makakaharap ko pala isang scientist. Napakalaking achievement sa sarili ko na nakaharap ko ay isang scientist at expert talaga sa agarwood industry. At creator pa ng isa sa pinaka ginagamit dito na inoculation sa agarwood. Confident ako na yung natutunan ko dito sa Malaysia is ma-share ko sa mga kasama ko. Napakalaki ang may dudulot ng natutunan ko dito na kaalaman dahil pasimula pa lang kasi ang agarwood industry sa bansa natin. So bilang plantation supervisor, ang nadagdag sa akin is yung kung paano ko i-explain yung mga tanong ng mga clients sa mga natutunan ko dito sa Malaysia, tulad ng inoculation, harvesting, and processing. Maraming salamat kay Sir Ben dahil isa siya sa nagbibigay sa akin kung paano ko ma-build yung sarili ko. Nagbibigay siya sa akin ng bagong kaalaman. So maraming salamat Sir Ben. Kay Sir Jong, isa sa mentor ko na hindi sumuko sa akin kahit na yun nga. Maraming salamat po.
Ako po si Richard Bundang, Project Manager of Iba Botanicals Inc. Hinahandle ko sa company is more on the construction projects, especially for the distillation, other mini projects ng company. Ako yung nagiging technical expert nila in terms of construction. Mas na-appreciate ko siya ngayon kasi dati wala namang interrelation yung construction management field of knowledge ko nung pumasok ako dito sa Iba Botanicals as construction manager or project manager. Nung in-invite ako ni Sir Ben to be the one of the participants here, it's unexpected talaga, and now nagkaroon ako ng mas malawak na understanding para ma-relate ko yung field of expertise ko being a construction or project manager into the agricultural side for agarwood. So for this opportunity, I thank you Sir Ben and Iba Botanicals Company for giving an opportunity to be the one of the participants here in Malaysia to personally witness how agarwood works, inoculation works, and how to interrelate it for upcoming construction of Iba Botanicals distillation project, especially meeting the experts here in Malaysia. Special mention, Dr. Saifo and Ms. Wonteng for giving extra knowledge to me without knowledge for agricultural side of agarwood.
We will harvest these trees at 12 months, 18 months, and 24 months. And so what that means is we'll also understand what's the optimal time frame for harvesting the trees using Udino and also the other products. Following that, the whole logs will be exported to the Philippines. So with full CITES certification and all the necessary permits and licenses, these trees will be shipped to the Philippines, and in the Philippines they'll be processed by the staff of United Agarwood Planters. So this will develop the skills, expertise and familiarity on how to handle the agarwood, how to extract the chips, how to produce the raw material for the oil distillation, and then we will also be distilling oil from these trees. And so really that will allow the staff to become very confident and very comfortable in handling agarwood. It means that we won't be learning, we won't be optimizing with the trees that we've planted or the trees that our partners have planted. And so it's very much a validation of the Udino, as well as the developing these skills amongst the staff.